Hello, my name is Novita. I am from Senior High School 1 Asembagus. Today, I would like to tell you a story entitled Tangkop Lajâr. Once upon a time, there was a wise king in the Majapahit kingdom. His name was Prabu Brawijaya. The people in his kingdom lived in peace and prosperity. He had two children named Prince Anom and Dewi Sekar Kemuning. One fine day, the king was walking around in the kingdom to check on his people. Suddenly, he heard a beautiful voice singing in harmony. He was so curious that he followed the beautiful voice came from. I wonder where that beautiful voice came from, said Prabu Brawijaya. After walking around, he realized that beautiful voice came from a turtle dove up a tree. Oh, there you are! What beautiful bird and wonderful voices. I shall give you to my daughter. She must be happy to have them, said Prabu Brawijaya in excitement. When they arrived in the kingdom, the king gave a turtle along with golden cage to his daughter, Dewi Sekar Kemuning. Dewi Sekar Kemuning was so happy to receive the present. That night, when almost everybody went to sleep, Dewi Sekar Kemuning still busy with her batik. Lersa aler, lersa aler, aler alerku. Lersa aler, lersa aler, aler alerku. She encouraged that she didn't know that there was someone watching her. It was a turtle dove in a golden cage. His name was Mertengsari. It was the incarnation of Prince Yungwanara. He had heard of Dewi Sekar Kemuning for a long time. It was first time to see her up close. He was captivated by the beauty Dewi Sekar Kemuning. He couldn't hold himself that night. Suddenly, the light shining, a handsome young man appeared. Don't be afraid, princess. I'm come to you with good intention. Who are you? Why did you appear from the cage? Let me introduce myself. My name is Prince Yungwanara. I was cursed to be a turtle dove. I didn't know. I'm sorry for putting you in a cage. It's okay, princess. I feel honored to meet you. Thank you. So do I. Why don't you go to sleep, princess? It's already late at night. Well, I make myself busy when I have many things in my head. I just refuse my engagement with Raden Kebobang. I'm not ready to get married, but I feel let down my father. Don't worry, princess. I'm sure your father will understand and respect your decision. Well, I hope so. Since that day, the two of them often spend time together and start to get know each other. Day by day, not a long time passed without meeting each other. Two had to fall in love so deeply, finally decided to get married in secret. A few months later, Dewi Sekar Kemuning got pregnant with Prince Yungwanara. When it was time to give birth, she was so surprised because she gave birth to eggs. These 2 eggs until finally hatched into a turtle dove named Kijakamangu and Kijakasura. Dewi Sekar Kemuning couldn't hide this news from her father. Her father called her immediately.
Sekar, is true that you gave birth to 2 eggs?
Asked Prabu Brawijaya. Yes, it's true, father, replied Dewi Sekar Kemuning.
Tell me, who is the father, Sekar?
It's a turtle dove you gave me. It's Mertangsari, father.
How dare you! Do you know what should I tell all my people? What should I tell Sekar? Do you ever think, huh?
I'm sorry, father. I love him. He's kind of lovely. I love him, father. Trust me, father.
Impossible! You're such shame! I get rid of you.
Prabu Brawijaya got really angry. He took a cage along with turtle dove and threw them away.
Get off of here! Never come back to this kingdom.
Mertangsari left with a sad heart. He took his journey until finally arrived in Baluran forest. He decided to spend his life there. A few years later, Jakamangu and Jakasura knew the truth about their father. They flew miles and miles away and crossed the sea to find their father in Baluran forest. Legend has it until now, there are often turtle dove flying from west to Baluran forest and vice versa. Therefore, this tradition, if people in Baluran go to sea and they see a turtle dove flying, they will spread the sail of the boat to pay respect to Jakamangu and Jakasura, who incarnate as a turtle dove. The legend is still going on today in Baluran. The moral value of the story is we should not judge a book by its cover. As we can see the story, Prince Yungwanara is a kind and loving man. But Prabu only judged him based on his look, which a turtle dove. As a young generation, we should not form an opinion on someone or something based on what is seen on the surface. That's all the story from me. Thank you for your kind attention. I love you 3000. Goodbye.